welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice and I have 5 children. Well, that's 10, but I have 5 kids, and one of whom is a 3-year-old toddler, and she just turned 3 actually. So yeah, my baby's no longer a baby anymore, so I didn't go overboard, but she's easier to shop for than anyone else. And I had a whole theme going on. I don't know what happened to it. She just has too much stuff, and my brain got the best of me. I picked her up this Spark Create Imagine breakfast griddle, and it just looks like that. A bunch of fake food because she's into pretend play now, so this I know she will enjoy. And it's not so bulky because I've realized that now that she's of the age where she's playing with toys, her room is becoming cluttered because we don't have a playroom and I don't have the space to make one. And the only place, sorry, there's a train passing by. Really? Oh, welcome to the city where I live, where trains are a thing. Oh Lord, it's probably going to be an hour-long train. Let's wait for it. Okay, I think it passed. So her room is getting too cluttered, and I can't put her in the basement because I don't want her manipulating stairs to go play. So this is what I got her, and I think I don't remember where I got that from. Half the stuff I don't remember. I got her some books because yeah, she's a toddler, so you know. I'm not going with the whole something to read. No, I just got her. This is a John Deere, and this is also a John Deere. I don't know. And Johnny Tractor, Rain Shine Farm. Got her some stickers because she's into stickers now, so it's 80 count Christmas stickers. Cause she was getting into, I'm nosy. She was getting into my planner stickers, so I figured I would get her own. So it just looks like that. So it's just a bunch of Christmas stickers so that she can have her own stuff. And I probably put these 3 together, wrap these 3 together, and give that to her. I'm pretty sure she's not gonna be interested in this book. She might like the stickers, but then I got her a LOL surprise glitter globe. I don't know anything about LOL. I just know that it's all over my house. Her sister has a ton, so I just got one for her so that she can have her own stuff and she's not fighting with her 11-year-old sister for her stuff, okay? So, next up, I got her this squishy toy. Every year I try to get her a stuffed animal, and pink and gray is the color of her room, so it will look really nice in her room. The other day we were outside jumping rope, and she wanted to jump rope, but it was too big, so I figured I would get her own little jump rope so that she can jump rope with us in the summertime when, you know, it's warm outside. Next up is a pony. What toddler you know that does not like, you know, pony, you know? So, got her a little pony. Her therapist was here. Her speech therapist was here, and she was enjoying bubbles with her, so I got her this little set. Because I figured, you know, why not? So I just got her the tiny little one because I don't like messes. If you guys know me, I don't like messes. So I just got her this, and it's really cheap. It was really inexpensive. Kind of see where my mind was. I was just like, you know, when you're on a budget, you find yourself buying really inexpensive stuff, and then a few months later it breaks and you're tossing it in the trash, and there go your money. But hopefully my aim is to start investing in better quality stuff for my entire family. So that's to come next. Once we are financially stable right now, but I would like for us to get ahead. That way we're not just at the borderline of what needs to be in our savings for 12 months to cover if something happened to my husband. We need to be further so that we're okay. And Christmas is not really about giving your children's gift. Somewhere along the line we lost the meaning of what Christmas truly is about, and it's not December 25th is not really Jesus' birthday. And I never get the concept of, if it's someone's birthday, why do you get the gifts? But I'm rambling. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Let's continue, okay? Let's continue. Um, I got her this basket filled with play food. Just got a bunch of play food. I think that she will enjoy this. She's getting a kitchen for Christmas, and this will go with it. Not from me. No. Another cheap toy I picked up. I don't know what this is about. It's just outdoor stuff. I want for her to go outdoors. I want for her to go outdoors this summer, and I don't know. Don't know. Next up, I got her this chunky puzzle, and it's just a giraffe. Hopefully she'll like it. Yeah. I got her a little ball because she likes playing ball with Juju, even though I know he's gonna punch her this, but she likes playing with him. You guys should see my Instagram stories with her playing with Juju. She thinks that's her little best friend. More baby dolls, but the interesting thing about this baby doll is it teaches independence. So you can, it teaches her about buttons, zip, tie, buckle, how to press and snap and all that. So it teaches her how to dress herself. So this is not just a baby doll. It's she's learning. And what is this called? I can dress myself. So yeah, I got that for her because I think this will be really good for her. Because she knows, because she's fully potty trained, so she gets the concept. Even though when she goes to the bathroom now, she tries to pull up the pants before the underwear, and then she gets frustrated. And as you know, she's going to preschool, and I want her to learn to get herself back dressed after she goes to the potty. That way she doesn't need that much assistance, and I don't have random stranger, manipulating her down there. So I'm teaching her how to pull up her underwear first and then her pants, and she's slowly getting the gist of it. But let's continue. Got her this little pet for her Barbies. I don't know. It's just a mini pet carrier. So it comes with this looks like a rat. We think it's a rat. And it comes with the cage. So she likes small things. She likes really small things. So she'll enjoy that. She's going through this really weird phase where she likes Mickey Mouse, and because I don't want to invest in all these different characters and have my house or her room looking like just a random spew of things, I got her this little thing and see if it will spark any kind of excitement when she sees it. And then maybe I'm like, okay, she does like Mickey Mouse. But for right now, I just got this one little stuffed thing because if anything, I can always donate it if she's not interested. We went to Target and she picked up this little Peppa Pig. Again, she's into Peppa Pig, but it doesn't seem like it's something that she really liked. So I was like, okay, we can get this little thing and see how well she plays with it, and then invest more, if that makes any sense. So I just got her this little thing right here, and she picked it up. And I was like, okay. And then she's into Barbie. I know she loves Barbie because she watches that on, I think it's Chelo. I don't know. But she loves Barbie. And then she started playing with Barbie. And I was like, okay, she watches that on YouTube a lot, so these were supposed to go in her stockings, but somehow missed it. And then I got her this little keychain because her sister got one for Christmas in her stocking, so I don't want to fight in, so I just picked that up. So those are like little knickknacks that could go in a stocking. So I'm giving you guys stocking ideas as well as, you know, toy. Like, but my daughter Madison owns a lot of stuff already, so I'm kind of late to the game. LOL, she's into LOL. These are little puzzles she picked up from the Target dollar spot, and these were $1. So hopefully that was supposed to go in her stocking as well. So I'm gonna try to figure out who had her, and you know, kind of like, here you go. I'm not gonna try to wrap those because they're so funny. So for her birthday, she got a ton of Barbie. She got the Barbie dream house. She got the car. She got the airplane. She got a little truck for it. She got a ton of stuff for her birthday. So for Christmas, I was like, she loves Barbie, so I would hate for her to open up all her gifts on Christmas and there be no Barbie in there. So I just got her the Barbie, the little travel stuff, because she does have the airplane, dream plane, whatever, the little airplane situation. She does have that. So I figured I would get her this that has the suitcase, the backpack, sunglasses, and stuff like that. And I'm gonna have to pay very close attention to her when she plays with this, because it does have a really lot of small pieces. It does say 3+, so it's age appropriate, I believe. And then she does like the baby. I forgot what the baby name is, but this is Barbie Skipper, and it just has the stroller right here, and I think it's cute. And it also comes with the little baby right here, and it's cute. So that's why I got her, and that's all the Barbie I got her, because if I get one more piece of Barbie toy up in this house, I'm going to scream. I've had enough. There's so many naked Barbies around here. They probably could charge me with something, because I'm pretty sure those Barbies need clothes, and they're naked right now. So I was gonna get her. I was gonna invest in a lot of Melissa and Doug, but then I'm like, so I just got this condiment set, and we're gonna see how well these hold up in my house. And if it does really well, then I'll go ahead and invest in more Melissa and Doug. But this is just the condiment set, and it comes with the pepper, the hot sauce, the ketchup, and the mustard. And I think it's a cute little set for her kitchen. Next up, I got her this. This was $24.99 at Target, and then when I went, it was on clearance for $10. So I just got her this perfectly cute Let's Get Cooking stovetop and grill. 2-in-1 stovetop and grill, 12 pieces. There, and it just says 3+. So hopefully she likes that. Next up, last but not least, thank you so much to my girl Myra. Shout out to you, because when I did the video, and I'll link it here, where we went Christmas shopping for the kids, where I went Christmas shopping for the kids, I had posted the video where she was like really excited for this, and then when I checked the price, it was like $40, and I'm like, my budget is $200 for the kids' that shopping trip, and I was like, no honey, I can't spend, you know, a quarter of the budget on just one toy for you. No sis. So Myra sent me a picture on Instagram, and it showed where this was 50% off, so I got it for $20. I have the Target Red card, so I was able to get an additional 5% off. So I snagged that bad boy and picked it up in stores. So this is it. It's the Black & Decker, and it's the Junior Ultimate Bacon Set. I hope you guys can see it. And it has how many pieces are in here? It includes 70 pieces. So it comes with bowls, plates, mixer, thong, spatula, frosting spatula, egg beater, rolling pin, measuring cup, oven mitt, measuring spoons with keys, cake serving knife, um, spoons, forks, and knives, fabric apron, baking tray, and then on the other side it comes with cake slices, croissant, milk, butter, baking soda, brownies, cookies, sugar, frosting and sprinkles, baking tray, eggs, flour, cinnamon, cake mixes, and brownie mix. That's a ton of stuff in here. That's a lot of little. That's a lot of little pieces that's gonna annoy the mess out of me when I clean, but hey, if it makes the child happy on Christmas morning, why not play along? So, I think that's it. That is all I got my toddler for Christmas because her grandparents are gonna come and bring her stuff. Her aunts and uncles and cousins and all that cater to the toddler. Not so much the grown ones, but the toddler. So she has a ton of stuff, which I thought I was over the toy phase because I do have teenagers, and you know, there was a point where I didn't have much toys in my house, just electronics, and now my house is spilling out toys. So that's what you get for starting over. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this gives you guys some inspiration for the late shoppers out there, because it's December 20th, and yeah. But I do hope this video gives you guys some inspiration on what to get your toddler. And if you're new here and you're not a subscriber, please consider hitting that subscribe button and join our Sunshine Squad or family. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.